Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and I just wanted to bring this video update, and this is gonna be weird because I know how painful it is when you tell people to buy something and then a moment later you tell them to sell it, and it sounds like you're not confident enough with the trade, and that's completely okay. That's a part of trading, man. No one is going to be absolutely top notch. No one is gonna be is ever going to be perfect, but at least we don't want to lose money. And remember that trying to gain money that is not going to probably not be a good idea is going to turn out into a big wreck, train wreck. And the first thing I want to say is I was reading this book, Mastering the Trade, and this is going to be a part of my course in the future. And it's by John F. Carter. It says it's about having the patience to wait, the courage to get out, and the integrity to follow your plan. All of that leads to learning how not to lose. So at the moment, how not to lose is the most important subject today for Sand Video. It's about focusing on limiting risk, guys. I'm just limiting the risk here, not having to be right, and limiting the downside so that the upside can take care of itself. So, if I show you what I'm talking about on the Discord as well, I've been telling people to sell sand today, and here we are with on the Discord, guys. I've been telling them that we potentially made a head and shoulders right there on the 1 hour time frame as well. So I did tell them, guys, close your trades here. We went at 6.9, we were closing at 7.06. Nonetheless, we were never any loss, man. But I'm trying to prevent the loss if it ever happens. I'm not saying it cannot go up, but I'm losing that, confidence in it to go up. And I'm gonna tell you why. On the charts, I'm gonna tell you why did I think so. What does that mean? This guy asked. So we open at 6.9. We are forming a head and shoulders. The coin is getting selling pressure. It's not looking good, of course. And told them, yeah, that I understand it's very disturbing call to say buy and then sell later. But when the market changes, we have to follow the market and not our own feelings. Let's just sit at the sidelines. That's where I've already taken out my profits. And along with them, I did give them the call so that I cannot leave them into the blue. So everyone was expecting that alpha news to drive sand up to $10, which I also believed in, but there was not enough volume, and volume matters in trading, which is very shady, and it led me to be cautious now. After a recheck, the RSI is overbought on the daily as well, and let it calm down and make some reversal patterns. We're going to see the entry prices, and I told them I've cut it off completely, I've sold it off completely, and I gave them the alternative as well. I'm gonna give you the alternative in this video. Yep, you can buy the super cheap gem for 12 cents, which is the V chain. Okay, you guys can buy V chain at 12 cents, guys. And at the moment, volume seems like people are selling and taking their profits, and that's a huge red flag. Okay, anything can change. And do you remember, guys, we also made on the 1 hour, if you go back to 2-3 days ago, I said that there was a descending triangle on the 1 hour time frame. We broke out of it, failed the retest, but we never really went down to the target. And if we could really abandon the down view like this, we can also abandon the view that is going up like that and then come down. So to me, it leads me to another interesting topic, man. And I'm gonna tell you this one: semantic analysis. Semantic analysis in trading. Pretty sure it's semantic analysis. Trading sentiment. Is it semantic or sentiment? Sorry, sentiment analysis in trading, guys. Yeah, sorry for that. So, yeah, you have to rely on the market sentiments, guys, on the market sentiments. And if you see what the sentiments is, a view or opinion that is held or expressed. So this is my opinion. It's my opinion. It's not technical. It's not fundamental, but it's my own opinion that this one, I'm not confident in it anymore, because now let's do the technical part. I've already tell you the sentiment part. It's not semantic. I've been saying semantic all along. It's sentiment analysis. Sorry. So let's do this. The volume. Look at the volume, guys. It's dropping. The volume is not looking good anymore. the volume is dropping and it's decreasing, and this means that people are taking out profits, people are selling it off, and everything seems a little bit bad on the short time frame. I'm going to bring in the RSI as well, and let me show you the daily RSI, guys. I'm going to show you the daily RSI. It's absolutely overbought. It already hit nearly the 90 right there. Do you see that? It hit the 90, and as a matter of fact, it's like we have a double or triple top at the RSI, and it would be a very, to me it does make sense that in the next coming few days, I don't care if we actually ever go to the $11 now, but the thing is, it's now, I just had to cancel it. And the thing from the RSI is also that in the next coming few days you're going to see a dramatic drop. That's what it's indicating at the moment. It is an indicator, and the indicators tell you the overbought level, okay, and the oversold level. If you go and actually do a Google for indicators in indicators in trading, you're gonna understand a definition here, right? There's a definition, but I'm just gonna tell you that they tell you the oversold and the overbought level. Now at the same time, we also have on the 1 hour time frame in here an not inverse head and shoulder, but a perfect head and shoulder, and that's bearish. That is actually bearish, and we are also having resistance on top as well. And this for me, guys, is a huge flag, and we could potentially making this as a double top, who knows. And this is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is potentially your right shoulder. This is your neckline right now. You break out, it's gonna take you down to this level right here. Do you understand that? The $5.7. So for me, it's a closed trade at the moment. Will it ever go up? I'm not bothered. I'm in profits, okay? And nothing hurts taking out your profits and not taking the risk. Once again, this code is gonna help you. It's about having the patience to wait, the courage to get out. Really, you don't have to get emotional and keep the trade and keep holding it because you just bought it. If you're getting a loss of a 2% and you can prevent 10% loss, it's better that way. If it ever goes up, for me personally, I'm not going to be bothered if it goes up. And I'm giving you the alternative with a much more low risk, because this is what it is, man. Limiting the downside. So guys, it's about to put yourself out of the risk, and it's about focusing on the limiting risk. So the moment, the best limiting risk, I'm going to show you the people that I told them to buy VeChain, so that if SAND ever goes up, I'm pretty sure VeChain is already at the bottom, guys. If I zoom out of VeChain, let me show you where you guys are buying VeChain compared to SAND right now. So it's just an opinion. You guys can do whatever you want to do. You can buy, you can hold, but look where we're coming from, all the way towards the downside, okay? And recently we already have almost a 43% drop on VeChain as well. So compared to SAND and the risk that you guys are doing it, because all of this is a part of you being a profitable trader, and this is what I'm focusing myself on. Can it go to $11? It well could go to $11. I'm not saying that it cannot do this. I'm not saying that it cannot go there. But the limit, the risk, sorry. Focus on your risk. Focus on your investing strategy. For me, that's the management that I can do. And that's a part of you becoming in a profit, right? So I do hope I make sense here, and I'm speaking logic here. And until then, guys, I'm gonna see you with the next one, but I'm gonna keep you updated, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated with this one in case we ever fall down, and I'm gonna tell you the entry levels. But I do believe that it's always a good practice to enter at a bigger discount, maybe a 40% discount or a 50% discount. I'm not saying it's never gonna go up, right? So if it ever comes down, don't sell in a loss. And then hopefully in the near future, we're going to always have that technical target up there. Till then, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.